DAWN News Dictation number 14 being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM. Start.
The seemingly coordinated terrorist attacks across Balochistan on Saturday underline the urgent need for the state to confront militancy in the province decisively. According to security sources and official media, terrorists identified as Fitna al-Hindustan, a label used for Baloch separatists, struck at least 12 cities and towns, including Quetta. Security forces killed a large number of terrorists, while both personnel and civilians were martyred. The sophistication of the attacks suggests the militants received training and supports the state's concerns that hostile regional actors are instigating unrest in Balochistan. However, it is also alarming that the terrorists managed to strike so many towns, including the provincial capital, which is considered well protected. The severity of the situation is reflected in the federal interior minister's immediate visit to the province, highlighting the critical role of the police and security forces in preventing even greater destruction. This pattern of violence is not new. Last year's attack on the Jafar Express, along with a similar coordinated terror campaign in August 2024, indicates that militancy remains an unresolved challenge despite counter-terrorism efforts. According to one think tank, Balochistan witnessed over 250 terrorist attacks last year, resulting in more than 400 fatalities, making it, along with KP, one of the hardest hit regions in the country. The ongoing insecurity exacerbates socio-economic difficulties and slows development. While immediate operations should ensure all affected areas are secured, long-term peace requires a comprehensive approach. Innocent lives cannot be sacrificed for any ideology, and those responsible must be neutralized. Links with hostile foreign actors must be broken, and border vigilance strengthened. Equally important is political process that engages stringent groups willing to renounce violence and respect the constitution. Until Balochistan's natural wealth benefits its possible and alleviates poverty, hostile actors will continue to exploit local grievances, making a lasting solution impossible without both security measures and political inclusion.